Replace the water pump. The panel shows ice making status. No water flow in the ice tray. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to shut down the machine. Unplug the power. Prepare the above tools. Pry up the side fixing plate, then remove the baffle. Remove the 3 fixing screws of the water tank. Remove the float bowl. Take out the black water pump. Cut the cable tie. Unplug the white soft hose. Pry out the black protective rubber plug. Remove the back panel. Cut the fixing cable tie. Open the black mainboard cover. Cut the fixing cable tie. Locate the water pump port and unplug it. Unplug the water pump wire connector. Cut the fixing cable tie. Take out the water pump wire. Replace with a new water pump. Connect the white soft hose to the new water pump and secure it with a cable tie. Snap it into the water tank. Reinstall the fixing screws. Thread the wire end through the side circular hole. Return the float bowl to its position. Install the baffle. Connect to the corresponding water pump port. Secure the wiring with cable ties. Reinstall the mainboard cover. Reinstall the machine's back panel. Connect to power source. Short press the power button to turn on. Ice tray functions normally with water flowing and cooling.